Okay, we're back on the
Road.
mahina man.
Road.
Okay, we're back on the
Road.
road. Saan tayo papunta, Gab?
I think at Davao City.
Okay, we're going to Davao City.
Guys, let's see Tito Vlogs, guys.
Yeah, we're going to Davao to get Tita Clocks.
Outside,
Yes.
I know why the Tito Vlog said even eyes are hurt because he just watch phones, even Roblox, even movies,
Ah,
even it cannot stop.
then what happened?
Then the eyes, even the brain, the head hurt.
Sakit ang mata niya.
Oh,
Don't listen.
you tell Tita Clocks that.
Is that Tita Clocks, ha? See, the eyes, Tita Clocks blurred.
But mine is still okay. My eyes survived.
Yeah, it's okay na kasi nagbago na yung salamin niya.
Okay.
That was still close because he hurt his own eyes. Even it's hurt.
You hurt her own eyes.
Yeah, but I'm gonna watch out for my eyes.
Yeah. You don't watch too much TV, not too much cell phone.
Yeah, it's Theo Clock's fault.
Yeah.
Theo Clock is the one who hurt his eyes.
Oh,
Bye.
Her eyes.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Dito na kami sa
City Hall.
City Hall.
Tay, I'm gonna tell Theo Clock.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna tell Theo Clocks because he's the one who tricked herself.
Yeah, they love Tita Clocks.
Yeah,
You tell Tita Clocks?
Yeah, because it's his fault.
What happened, Tita Clocks pala?
His eyes even
Her. Say her because Tita Clocks is a girl.
her eyes her eyes is hurt. Even her head is hurt because he just watch cell phone. Even he just play fruit game.
Yeah.
Even he cannot stop doing it. Even
Yeah.
next day he play Roblox.
Over.
Even he didn't stop it.
Overuse.
She cannot stop herself.
Yeah, she cannot stop herself.
Overuse ang eyes niya. Diba?
Okay, you talk that to Tita Clocks. You talk with Tita Clocks, mamaya.
Even it's already over. His eyes and brain, his eyes even head broke. I'm gonna tell that.
Yeah, but she's okay now. Just remind her, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him why he don't share my Roblox
Yeah.
because
Nami ka uban din nga merkado.
Okay.
because I have like and subscribers but he do not want.
Okay.
Or
Time
she
check.
don't have it.
Time check. It's 12:26.
Going to
12:26.
Davao.
Punta kami ng Davao kasi si Clocks tapos na pala ang kanyang OJT. Mabilis lang ang panahon. So kunin namin si Clocks then
Party time.
Bruh,
Party time.
bruh.
we're going to eat dinner.
I'm gonna tell Theo Clock.
Now we're going to eat dinner on Sunday.
Yeah.
We're going to church. Secret lang muna.
Bruh,
Okay,
bruh, we
this is
should go
it.
to church.
Tapos na, nakapasalamat na tayo.
I'm telling you the secret.
Yeah.
You're hiding something.
Yeah.
I hope the big boy Marcos is upset.
Why?
The big boy Marcos. The big
You have
one.
no class.
I hope
You have a typhoon.
no. Only my classmate Marcos. My dad is scared.
It's okay, but the
Time
birthday
check.
babies, no?
Time check is 1:23. nandito na kami sa Jensen.
You have an owner at the window.
Okay, nandito na kami sa Jensen. Ito yung kanilang round ball.
Mahina lang kita mamaya dyan mamaya. Pag-uwi ka din.
Lang Okay. Where are we going?
Going straight. Time check, it's 1:35. Nakalabas na tayo sa diversion road.
Sige mataman.
We're going to Malungon. Malungon, Sarangani Province pa tayo.
Ay, tumirik.
Wala pa.
Pupunta tayo dito, Gab. Lapit na ah.
Time check, it's 2:27.
Napo.
Na, nandito na tayo sa Davao del
Yeah.
Sur. Time check, it's 2:28. Andito na kami sa Malalag. Nakita natin sa tabing daan yung maraming mangga dito sa Malalag. Uy, si Manong. Oh,
Nasi mga ganong right check.
Luya ni Manong. Yeah, you saw it on the video?
Guys, I told you I already see this.
Yeah. What else did you see?
That's all.
That's all.
Let's check. The view is so high, Ty. Look.
Oh.
Look at the
So
view.
beautiful view.
Ty, make sure. If you see a crack, that's it.
Yung pagpalit na.
Okay, okay. Nandito na kami sa Malalag, Davao del Sur.
The other here is going
Maganda yung construction nila dito sa gilid, oh.
Ty, I locked the other door.
Yeah, that's good. Are you scared?
I should not open it.
Yeah.
Because baby, if I don't lock it, then maybe they will get inside.
No, they're not going to, but we have to be sure. Okay.
Ano na BYD?
I should be sure.
Okay, time check, it's 3:30. Nandito na kami sa Kalinan. Kalinan. Sa Turil. Pero namili pa ng pagkain.
Pakain! Oh,
Si Gab-Gab is gone. So, we're going there. Puntahan natin si Clox sa Malagos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Tita Clox. And Gab is talking now.
Okay.
Okay. Si Nanay namili ng durian.
Bro, what can you say to my friend? She want to see you before she went home. Give her a message. Look at the photo.
Ito yung Malagos.
Look.
Nandito kami dahil kinuha namin si Clox.
They look like durians or something.
Parang round trip from Coronadal to Jensen to to Sarangani, to Davao del Sur. Now to Kalinan and Malagos. Now we're going back.
No,
I'm a little bit sleepy. Is that your cup?
no, 3 o'clock is borrowed for me.
Ah, you borrow it from Tita Clocks?
Yeah. But it's itchy inside 3 o'clock. Itchy, why?
Okay, we're going to eat durian.
here.
There's a little durian.
Itchy here.
Durian on the road!
Nahirag yun ang Angelina, okay? Tino, og kumo
Ay, bakit brigada?
yun na.
Is that brigada?
I hate
Gid
it.
kaayo nak. Lahira gid ang Angelina. Puti, tino, ug humo kaayo.
Because the patty is a Hub's gone. Hub's a virus inside.
So you bite your tongue.
I bite it. I don't bite my tongue. There's a lot of customers.
Where's your gray slippers?
Masikip na yun.
Really?
Only when I'm a baby, I still have that.
Yeah.
But it's already new.
Wow, sige, take a bite, take a bite.
Pangit?
Pangit.
Hindi may dahon